Welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is bipolar 1 disorder. This is a serious mental illness. People who have this experience severe changes in mood, energy, and activity level. Mood changes ranging from very happy to very sad and hopeless, each cycle lasting days, weeks, or even months. Signs and symptoms of happy or manic phase includes racing thoughts, acting recklessly, impaired judgment, impulsiveness. Signs and symptoms of the sad or depressive phase includes loss of appetite, sleep problems, concentration and memory problems, feeling of worthlessness, thoughts of suicide or death. While causes are not clear for bipolar 1 disorder, some studies suggested that brain chemical imbalances, hormonal imbalances, environmental factors like stress, loss of a loved one, traumatic events, or genetics may be contributing factors. Treatments include a combination of therapies, medication, healthy diets, and regular exercise. Always see your provider or mental health counselor if you have any concerns about bipolar 1 disorder. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!